Ever wondered if your coaching business might be at risk with Stripe? Let's check before it's too late. Here's what I'm doing. I'm searching Stripe's official restricted business list to see if coaching services or advice based businesses are flagged. This is a quick manual check that lets you see potential risk without opening an account. Now, this is where EasyPay Direct steps in. They underwrite your merchant account upfront so you know immediately if your coaching business is fully supported. You also get features like recurring billing and hosted checkout built to keep your payments stable and uninterrupted. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can explore it. Plus, you also get guidance for a smooth setup and lower decline rates for your transactions. Getting started is easy. Just complete the sign up form on the EasyPay Direct page. It's a straightforward way to secure a reliable merchant account for your coaching or info product business. Check out the link below to get started today.